My name's Jimmy White, professional snooker player. With the pace of technology today, you need the most sophisticated car security systems to protect yourself and your vehicle. We're in a brand new Land Rover Discovery, keyless. How it works: each individual fingerprint can be programmed into the system, giving you a positive identification every time, using sophisticated fingerprint scanning technology. Only those who are authorised or programmed to use the vehicle can start the car. The fingerprint scanner on the Live ID system reads by 4 biological markers: pulse, blood pressure, living tissue, and also features 3D scan technology. The system is extremely flexible, allowing you to program up to 9 people per vehicle. It takes just a few seconds to authorise a new driver, and you can easily cancel the authorisation at any time. The system can easily be deactivated by the owner when you take the car in for a valet, service or repair. The system also comes with an anti-hijack feature, which will immobilise your car in the event of a car hijack. Once the car is running, should the door open, that will signal a potential danger, and without a fingerprint from an authorised user, the car will immobilise within 90 seconds and be completely disabled. A thief can't get too far in 90 seconds, which allows you to alert the police and get yourself to a safe place. The car's going to cut out in the next 20 seconds. Thieves will try and crank the car, try and do all sorts to start the car, but the only way we will be able to stop the alarm is my fingerprint, or the authorised fingerprint holder. Now, within 30 seconds, all the alarms will be going off. Are going off, the lights are flashing. My fingerprint is the only thing that can stop this alarm from going off. This is the most sophisticated car security system on the market. It is available now at an affordable price. Protect yourself, your family and your vehicles.